Hi, welcome to Persephone's Kitchen, and today's been a long day, maybe for you as well. Maybe you just got home from university and we'd like to just call out and get some takeout, but maybe that's not the best idea because if we make a quick fast meal, it's probably going to be more nutritious and fun. So what we're going to do is do something very simple, very quick. We're going to make toast with guacamole and some eggs. So the first thing I have here is a chili. You can use a jalapeno. You can use any kind of chili that you have in the house that's a little bit spicy. Of course, if you don't like anything spicy, then just leave it out. It's no big deal, right? Okay, so I'm gonna slice this chili really thin. And let's see, I'm probably gonna use most of it, but not all of it. So there's my chili. And the next thing I'm gonna do is chop some onion. I have a little bit of red onion. You can use scallions as well, not a problem. Not too much because you don't want it to be too sharp because this is raw onion. So here's some. And I'm chopping it pretty fine, okay? So there's my onion. Next thing I'm gonna add is some avocado. So first thing I'm gonna do is put this into a bowl. Now, you know, when I was in Mexico, I learned that there, oftentimes, guacamole is made by just really slicing the avocado super fine, not mashing it. So today, that's kind of what I'm going to do. I'm going to chop the avocado really fine. I have half a avocado. These are the kinds that are grown in Florida or in California. Just because these days the Mexican avocados, although delicious, are very expensive. So an avocado can cost $2 or more currently, and so I've been switching to California avocados. Now I'm just gonna step away for a moment and turn on the stove for the eggs while you focus on this right here. Okay, and I'm going to cut these a little bit smaller with this little tool that I have. Actually, it's usually used to make pastry, to cut the butter in, but it actually works rather well for this as well. Okay, we're gonna now chop up the tomato. tomato in there. I'm going to add some chopped coriander. And I will be right back in just a second. A little bit of salt. I'm going to squeeze some lemon. Okay, be right back. Mix that up. See how wonderfully colorful this is. Very pretty. Now we're going to just slide on into the kitchen and fry some eggs and then prepare our plate. You see, it'll be very fast. Now you don't have to do sunny side up eggs. You could do scrambled eggs. You could do poached eggs. Literally anything that you like. We particularly like sunny side up, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, we are now going to go back to the counter and start putting our plate together. So what I'm going to do is I make sourdough bread. I'll post the recipe for you and show you how to do it. But I have a toasted slice of sourdough bread. And what I'm going to do is just kind of put all of this here and let it slide on off as well. But this is yummy. So you're going to just put this on. And we are going to then, if you come closer and take a look at the eggs, we're going to just place the eggs right on top. Here we go. One. Make sure it sits up there. And I have some strawberries that I'm going to just kind of dress on the side. And here we are with this wonderful meal in absolutely, less than 20 minutes. So much better than taking out or buying a prepared meal. You have an amazing meal and you can enjoy it, go back to studying, watch TV, whatever you'd like. Have fun.